have a quick DIY for you guys this morning.
I say let's make some quick Christmas art. Very simple, very cheap. Of course, my photos came from Dollar Tree. Well, not my photos, but my bags came from Dollar Tree. You can use any bags, but I chose these prints because my theme is pink. And I'm going to be covering up those pictures on my wall. And so it's very self explanatory. Let's get into it.
Hey my love, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Continue to watch my video. Tell your friends, give me some ideas. Just keep going on this journey with me. Thank you again for being loyal. Thanks guys.